Welcome to Amphenol Custom Cable. We're thrilled to have you join our team here in Tampa, Florida. Today, we'll walk you through everything you need to know as a new member of our organization. From concept to connection, we pride ourselves on quality, speed, and exceptional support. Let's get started. Our headquarters is right here in Tampa, Florida. This facility houses our manufacturing operations, engineering teams, logistics department, and customer support. Everything we do under one roof ensures seamless coordination and the highest quality standards for our customers. Custom Cable is part of Amphenol Communication Solutions, a global leader in interconnect technology. We're organized into 4 major product groups. The Commercial Products Group handles internal and external, I/O, storage, memory, power solutions, and advanced cable technology. Our High-Speed Products Group specializes in backplane, mezzanine, and I/O connectors. The RF Optics and Broadband Group provides optical, RF, and antennas. And our Mobile Consumer Products Group delivers connectors, hinges, and programmable transceivers for mobile applications. Let me share our story. Custom Cable was founded in 1980, right here in Tampa. In 1999, MF Lightwave was established. Then in 2012, MF Lightwave acquired Custom Cable's assets, and the two companies merged under the Custom Cable name. In 2016, we became part of Amphenol. Today, we're a full-service provider of network and connectivity products and services, focusing on customer-driven solutions. We manufacture to the highest quality standards in the industry, offer same-day shipping, and take tremendous pride in both our products and our people. Our organizational structure is designed for efficiency and clear communication. At the top is our executive leadership team, supported by departments, including operations, manufacturing, engineering, quality, human resources, sales, finance, IT, and warehouse and logistics. For the most current and detailed organizational chart, you can always refer to Dayforce or check the postings in your work area. Our quality policy is simple but powerful. Do it right the first time, meet or exceed customer requirements, and continuously improve what we do. This philosophy guides everything we do at Custom Cable, and we expect every team member to embrace it. We live by 5 core values. First, we have a commitment to our communities. We support and engage locally. Second is touch it once, do things right the first time. Third, we always do the right thing, even when no one's watching. Fourth is whatever it takes, we go above and beyond for our customers and teammates. And finally, we get better every day through continuous improvement. We're committed to maintaining a fair, safe, and respectful workplace for all employees. This means equal opportunity and non-discrimination for everyone. We maintain a harassment-free environment and have clear expectations around attendance, conduct, and safety. For complete details on all policies, please read your employee handbook. Speaking of the handbook, while this presentation highlights the most important policies, it's essential that you read the complete employee handbook for full details. It's your go-to resource for questions about policies and procedures. We're truly glad to have you join our team. Amphenol Custom Cable complies with all laws prohibiting discrimination. We do not discriminate based on race, color, sex, age, religion, national origin, disability, veteran status, genetics, or any other basis protected by applicable state and federal law. Everyone here is treated with dignity and respect. We maintain a workplace built on mutual respect. Harassment of any kind by supervisors, coworkers, vendors, or customers is strictly prohibited and will not be tolerated. We expect respectful and professional interactions at all times. If harassment is reported or suspected, here's what happens. First, notify your supervisor or human resources immediately. Second, formal investigative procedures begin promptly. Third, we have zero tolerance. Appropriate actions will be taken. Your safety and well-being matter to us. Sexual harassment is defined as unwelcome sexual advances, requests for sexual favors, or other conduct of a sexual nature when submission is made an explicit or implicit condition of employment, when employment decisions are based on submission or rejection of such conduct, or when such conduct interferes with work performance or creates an intimidating, hostile, or offensive work environment. This behavior is completely unacceptable. At Amphenol, trust and transparency are fundamental to who we are. That's why we're introducing the Amphenol Integrity Line, your avenue to speak up. Honesty and integrity are at the core of our organization. If you observe or suspect illegal or unethical behavior, you can report it through the Amphenol Integrity Line. Reports may be made anonymously, and the system is available 24/7. Let me provide you with more details about the Amphenol Integrity Line. First, what it is. It's a secure, anonymous, web-based whistleblowing platform for reporting actual or suspected misconduct and breaches of our code of conduct. What can you report? This includes bribery and corruption, competition law violations, fraud, financial crime, quality issues, harassment and discrimination, international trade controls, protection of personal data, environmental damage, and conflicts of interest. Some important notes: do not use this system to make false accusations or report deliberately untrue information. Amphenol strictly prohibits retaliation against anyone who reports wrongdoing in good faith. Regarding confidentiality, reports may be made anonymously, and your confidentiality and anonymity will be maintained to the fullest extent possible, consistent with proper review requirements and applicable laws. The Integrity Line portal is accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for all Amphenol employees. Reliable attendance is essential. If you know you'll be absent or late, notify your supervisor personally at least 1 hour before your scheduled start time. If you have a disabling sickness or accident while at work, notify your supervisor immediately. If you're absent for 3 or more consecutive days, a physician statement may be required before you can return. And please note, if you're absent for 2 or more consecutive business days without proper notification, this will be considered job abandonment and result in termination. Safety is a top priority here. We provide safe working conditions and safe working methods. We make safety devices available and require their use. We expect you to use company-provided safety equipment and follow all safe practices and procedures. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. If an injury occurs, no matter how minor, report it immediately to your supervisor or manager. Proper accident reporting and investigation procedures will begin right away. Know where our safety equipment is located. First aid kits are at the reception area, and we have AED units on the production floor in the fiber area and at reception. Let's talk about PPE. Safety glasses are provided by Custom Cable and are required when soldering or as defined by specific processes. For footwear, closed-toe rubber-soled shoes or work boots are required for all employees working in manufacturing and warehouse areas, no exceptions. PIT stands for Powered Industrial Trucks, that's forklifts, stalkers, and wave equipment. Manufacturing employees must be fully trained before operating any tools or equipment. Be aware of potential hazards in your work area. Office staff, take note. Open file cabinets are the #1 cause of office injuries, so always close those drawers. Know the difference between minor and major injuries. For minor injuries like cuts and scrapes, first aid kits are available in manufacturing and next to the reception area. For major medical injuries, chest pain, loss of consciousness, breathing issues, dial 911 immediately. Don't hesitate in an emergency. You'll receive coaching and performance evaluations periodically. During your first 90 days, you'll have periodic reviews to help you succeed. After that, all employees receive annual evaluations. If you have questions, concerns, or issues, discuss them with your immediate supervisor or manager. Remember, your success is up to you. We're here to support you. For manufacturing and material services employees, here's what's acceptable: long pants, jeans, dresses, skirts, or business-length shorts, along with closed-toe shoes or work boots. What's not acceptable? Tank tops, cropped tops, midriff tops, halter tops, or tube tops. Shoulders must be covered. No clothing with offensive artwork or slogans, and no flip-flops or sandals. Look for signs indicating closed-toe shoe requirements in specific areas. You'll enjoy 8 paid holidays each year: New Year's Day, Memorial Day, Independence Day, Labor Day, Thanksgiving Day, the day after Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, and Christmas Day. We believe in work-life balance. Parking is organized by department. Manufacturing employees should use the East Side employee entrance. Office employees can use the West Side reception entrance or the South Side break room entrance. Please do not park in areas reserved for special needs, clients, or visitors, and avoid fire lanes, curbs, or anywhere no parking signs are posted. The break room is used by all employees for breaks, lunch, and small meetings. The CAF is designated for office employees for small meetings, casual collaboration, and impromptu conversations where moderate privacy is helpful. Restroom locations, manufacturing employees, yours is at the back of the manufacturing floor. Office employees, restrooms are in the hallway next to the reception desk. For manufacturing and warehouse employees, you get 2 15-minute breaks. and one required 30-minute unpaid lunch break. Remember to scan your ID badge when you leave your workstation for lunch, when you return from lunch, and whenever you leave the company premises. That includes the building and parking lot. Your company-issued photo badge must always be visible while you're in the building. It's required for entry, so don't loan your badge to anyone or let someone else in. Each person must badge in individually. If you need a replacement badge, the cost is $10. Use your badge to clock in and out. All visitors must check in at the reception area. In case of emergency closures, it's essential that you keep your phone numbers updated in Dayforce. We'll send text messages with important information, including whether the business will close, when employees are expected to return to work, and any other communication during the situation. We offer a comprehensive benefits package. Medical coverage through Anthem, Blue Cross Blue Shield High Deductible Health Plan. Dental coverage through Delta Dental with 2 plan options. Vision coverage through Blue Cross Blue Shield. A health savings account to pair with the HDHP. Company paid short-term and long-term disability. Supplemental life insurance options. Paid vacation time. An employee assistance program for personal support. And you receive holiday pay starting from day 1. Our medical plan is an Anthem, High Deductible Health Plan, or HDHP. This structure means you'll pay lower monthly premiums, and the plan includes network access and preventive care coverage. See your enrollment materials for detailed information about costs, deductibles, and coverage levels. The high deductible plan pairs perfectly with a health savings account or HSA. You can contribute pre-tax money from each paycheck into this bank account. Use these funds to pay for medical, dental, vision, or prescription costs. The best part? This account is always yours. It stays with you from year to year, even after employment ends. It's a great way to save for healthcare expenses. Our Delta Dental coverage offers 2 comprehensive plan options. Choose the plan that best meets your dental care needs. Coverage details, including deductibles, copays, and coverage percentages, are available in your enrollment materials. Vision coverage through Blue Cross Blue Shield includes comprehensive vision exam coverage and frame allowances for eyeglasses. See your enrollment materials for complete coverage details. Important information about enrollment. Our benefits plan year runs from January 1 through December 31 St. You'll enroll through Dayforce, our HR and timekeeping system. Once you submit your new hire enrollment, it's final. You can't make changes until the next open enrollment period unless you have a qualifying event. Coverage is available for legal spouses and dependents, and you'll need to upload verification documents into Dayforce. You can only make changes to your benefits during the year if you have a qualifying event. These include marriage, birth, or adoption of a child, a change in employment or benefit status for you or your spouse that affects benefits, or divorce, or legal separation. You must provide validation of the event, and you have a 30-day window from the date of the event to make changes. We want to help you save for the future. Our 401k plan includes a safe harbor 3% non-elective contribution. That's free money from the company. Plus, we match 50% of the first 8% of your elective deferrals. Loans are available according to plan rules. Make sure to set up your beneficiary with Fidelity Online. See your employee handbook for details about vacation award amounts. You'll request time off in Dayforce by going to Menu, then Work, then Time Away List, and selecting Request New Time Off. Enter vacation time in either 4-hour increments for a partial day or 8-hour increments for a full day. We don't use a separate sick time category. Vacation covers it all. Please note that vacation time does not carry over to the next year, so plan accordingly. Smoking is not permitted inside the facility. This policy applies to all employees, clients, visitors, and guests. Smoking is only permitted in designated outdoor areas. Follow posted signage for these locations. Personal cell phones should be limited to lunch and break times. Turn them off when working and keep them out of sight during work hours. If you have a company-provided phone, it should remain on during work hours. Use good judgment when accepting or placing personal calls and limit personal usage to important matters. Keep call volumes low and be considerate of others around you. Time clock stations are located in the shipping area and throughout the manufacturing area. Do not clock in more than 7 minutes before your shift starts or after your shift ends unless you've been scheduled or authorized by your supervisor. Safety procedures for emergencies are critical. If you observe a fire, activate the nearest fire pole box or call 911. Evacuate the building through the nearest safe exit. Do not re-enter the building until you receive further notice. For all evacuations, follow the posted exit route maps throughout the building. Exit upon activation of audible or visible alarms or an announcement to evacuate. We conduct evacuation drills annually. Always notify your supervisor or manager as soon as you observe smoke or fire. SDS stands for Safety Data Sheets. These contain descriptions of chemicals you may come in contact with while performing your job duties. All sheets are stored in a bright yellow cabinet next to the manufacturing restrooms. They're available for employee viewing. Just schedule access through your manager. HMIS stands for Hazardous Materials Identification System. It's the marking system you'll see on containers of hazardous materials. We're certified to ISO 9001:2015 standards. ISO stands for the International Organization for Standardization, and this certification demonstrates our commitment to quality. Our requirements include procedures covering all key processes in the business, monitoring manufacturing to ensure consistent quality, maintaining proper records, inspecting outgoing products for defects, using corrective and preventive actions to improve processes, conducting regularly scheduled audits, and embracing a culture of continual improvement. We're also TL 9000 certified. This certification is based entirely on all requirements of ISO 9001:2015, plus 91 additional requirements focused specifically on the telecommunications industry. Benefits include complying with one quality standard instead of multiple standards, standardized performance reports, a central data repository for industry benchmarking, and improved customer-supplier relationships. We use corrective and preventive action processes, handle customer complaints systematically, monitor customer satisfaction through scorecards, and focus on continuous improvement and problem-solving. IPC stands for the Association Connecting Electronics Industries, and WHMA is the Wiring Harness Manufacturers Association. IPC/WHMA A620 is our standardized body of training and product acceptance criteria. Our quality management system includes our quality manual, quality policies, procedures, flowcharts, supporting documents, forms, work instructions, TL 9000 handbooks, audit reports, management reviews, and certificates. Your role in all of this? Follow our quality policy in everything you do. If you don't understand something, ask questions until you do. If you see opportunities for improvement, make suggestions to your supervisors. Be the best you can be and deliver the highest quality products our customers require. Finally, let's talk about controlled documentation and calibration. Forms, procedures, policies, and work instructions are living documents. They change and improve over time. Always use the latest revision from the custom cable intranet. Check the revision number and date in the bottom right corner before using any document. For calibration, all equipment used to measure or test products must be periodically recalibrated to verify it continues to meet performance specifications. We use a web-based tracking system, and each calibrated item has a sticker showing when it was last calibrated and when the next calibration is due. That completes your new hire orientation.